Have you ever looked at an empty room in Revit and wondered how architects transform it into a beautiful modern living room? Well, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that from start to finish. We'll learn how to arrange furniture properly, apply realistic materials, create a simple modern POP, add lighting fixtures, and by the end of this video, you have a living room that is ready for rendering. Hello, welcome to Noble Architects Consult, your home for Revit and AI tutorials. Let's get started. To make it easier to work inside the room, I'm going to temporarily hide the wall and the roof. This doesn't affect the model, it simply gives us a clear view while we design the interior. Select the roof, hide in view. Let me hide this wall too. Hide. Step 1. Preparing the room. I'm starting with an existing floor plan because today's focus is interior design rather than creating the entire building. You notice that I already have the walls, floors, doors and windows in place. Furniture should fit comfortably within the available space. A common beginner mistake is placing oversized furniture inside a small room. Step 2. Applying basic materials. Before adding furniture, let's give the room some life by applying simple materials. I'll begin with the walls. For this design, I'm using a clean white paint finish because it creates a bright and modern atmosphere. Click on paint. I'm going to use this white for the fascia. Select it, apply on the wall. Take note of this is very important. In our previous video, we just added the floor, but in real life projects, a tile is supposed to have a skirting around it. So I will quickly add the skirting on the floor plan with extrusion. Head over to floor plan, architecture, model in place, casework. Let's use this skirting. Click OK. Now use extrusion. Let's start from here. Pick a line. Pick this line also. The skirting will end here because of the door. Now use the offset tool. Offset 25 millimeters. Trim it. Now extrusion end 100 millimeters. Finish it. Now we'll create another one here. Offset 25 millimeters. Finish it. Let's apply material. Select this. Edit. I'm going to use a different material for the living room, so I will duplicate this. Let me choose a different style material. I'm going to use the marble white. Increase the glossiness. Select the image. Scroll down. You can increase the size right here. I'm going to use 800 by 800. Click on this icon here. Let's have 800. Done. Apply. Click OK. Finish. Okay, we have it here. So I'm going to change this floor tile to the white marble. To do that, head over to the floor plan. Click on split faces. Select the floor. And let's pick the area where you want to change the color. Let's select. I will include the dining also. Now trim it. Finish it. Head over to the 3D. Use the paint material. Select the floor. Apply. Materials may seem like a small detail, but they completely change how your design feels. Step 3. Loading the furniture. Now comes the fun part. Let's start furnishing our living room. Head over to the floor plan. Click on Insert. Load Family. Head over to your library. If you don't know where to download free Revit components, I made a video on that. I will leave the link in the description. I'm going to use this couch right here. Select it, open. To change the orientation, press the space bar on your keyboard. I'm going to place this here. I'll place the second one here. Let's adjust this. Click on components, load family. I'm going to use this. Select it, open. Let's place it here. The next one. You can as well adjust it after placement. Now the next thing is to place a coffee table. Click on components, load family. Let's use this. Open. We'll place this here. Let's view it in 3D. Go back to the floor plan. Now we are going to add a television. Click on components, load family. Press the space bar to change the orientation. Now select it. This is the placement height for the television. Let's use 1200 millimeters. Apply. Let's reduce it a bit. 900. Now we are going to place a console here. Head over to the floor plan. Components. Load family. Let me use this. Press the space bar to change the orientation. Let's view it in 3D. Okay. Let's add the curtains. Click on components, load family. I'm going to use the window blind. Place it here. Let's adjust it in 3D. Select it, edit type. Let's use 1500. Apply. Head over to the floor plan. You can copy it and place in these other windows. Select it, copy, rotate, place it here. Open the 3D. Now let's hide this. Select it and hide for now. You can decorate the room anyhow you want. Step 4. Designing a simple modern POP ceiling. Now let's give the room a premium appearance. We will create a simple POP ceiling. Head over to the ceiling floor plan. Go to architecture. Click on ceiling. Use the automatic ceiling. Place it. Now select the ceiling. Height offset. Let's use 2800. That's the first ceiling. Now I will create another ceiling under the first one. Click on ceiling. Ceiling by sketch. Let me use the rectangle and pick this. Now I will use the offset tool and offset 1000 millimeters. Trim it. The offset height is 2700. Click on edit type. Duplicate. Thickness of the ceiling. I'll use 50. Let's have 25 here and 25 here. Click OK. Finish it. Finish. Let's view it in 3D. Alright, we have the second ceiling. The second ceiling remains slightly lower while the inner ceiling is raised a little. Finally, apply material. Click on paint. Let me use white material. Apply it. Alright, we are done with this step. Just a quick one. Is this your first time here? Make it official. Tap the subscribe button. Let's grow together and explore more ideas. Don't forget to turn on the notification so you don't miss out. If there is anything you do not understand, or if you have any question or contribution, kindly drop it in the comment section. I will attend to it. If you are new to Revit and you don't know how to model a house like this, I made a tutorial for that. I'll leave the link in the description section. And if you are having challenges with the kind of laptop that works best for Revit, I also made a video for that. You can check it out. Step 5. Adding lighting. Lighting is one of the most important parts of interior design. Even the best furniture arrangements can look dull without proper lighting. I will load in a recessed downlight family. Then I'll place them evenly around the POP ceiling. Head over to ceiling floor plan. Click on components, load family. I'm going to use this. Select it, open. Let me first place one of them here. Select it, edit type. For the radius, I'm going to use 75. The diameter, I'll use 100. Apply. Click OK. Select it, make a copy of it. We have 4200. Make a copy of 2100. Select these two, make a copy of 2100. Now select the three of them, make a copy of 4200. Select all of them. Let's adjust it a little bit. Now we have a pendant light at the center. Click on architecture, load family. I'm going to use this. Open. Place it at the center. Let's view it in 3D. This creates a nice visual center for the room. In a future tutorial, I'll show you how to create realistic lighting effects using these fixtures. Let's place the wall light. Click on components, load family. Head over to lighting fixtures. I'll use this for the wall light. Place this here. Let's place here and here also. Let's view it in 3D. Click on it. Select all instances. Elevation. Increase it. Let's have 1200. Nope, it's too much. 700. I think this is okay. We are done with this step. The next step, review the design. Let's orbit around the room and see what we've created. Confirm the furniture arrangements and everything. This is a great foundation for creating professional architectural visualizations. Alright, you're done. And that's how to design a clean modern living room in Revit from scratch. In subsequent tutorial, we will take this exact living room even further. I will show you how to create realistic renders using ChatGPT completely free. We'll also render it with Lumion and V-Ray to achieve professional presentation quality visuals. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications so you don't miss them. If you found today's lesson helpful, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what room you'd like to design next.